You act like you need reminding. Trying to do it over, bring it back and wind it. But all that glitters isn't gold. I was blind.
Hi YouTube, so the intro you just watched, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that. You only need 2 apps. You can make it from your phone. You only need Canva and CapCut. Super easy, anybody can make it. Let's get to the video. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Canva. And once Canva opens, they have a lot of preset options, so you can search for a YouTube video, or you can go to the top where it says create a design, and you're going to enter in your own custom dimensions. So a YouTube video is 1920 by 1080, and then you're going to press create new design. Once everything loads up, then you're going to go onto the left hand side and go into your photos, and you're going to search for the pictures that you want in the design. So I'm just scrolling here until I find my pictures. So you're going to need 8 pictures. I mean, you could do more or less, but for my intro I used 8 photos of myself, and I'm just adding those to the design. Once all the photos are added, we can close out that menu, and now it's time to start working on our intro. So I'm just arranging the photos where I want them. So you're going to do 4 photos on the top, 4 photos on the bottom, but you want them all evenly spaced out. So that's what I'm doing here. So some of the photos I had to crop a little bit. So I'm just trying to figure out how big or how small I want them, just to see how it's all going to lay out evenly. Now that all the photos are arranged, we're going to select elements on the left toolbar, and we're going to add a rectangle to our canvas. I'm going to spread that out across the entire canvas, and I'm going to change the color of it to white. And then I'm going to turn the transparency down so I can just barely see the photos. So now we're going to go to the top of the design and duplicate this exact design. So we're going to move our white cover over, and we're going to cover all except for one photo. So we're going to duplicate this white rectangle that we added, and we're going to resize it to cover up that other photo because we only want one photo showing. Alright, so now we're going to duplicate this one, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cover up all the photos except for one. So I'm just stretching out that white cover, and I am going to uncover another photo. But you want to do them sporadically, like you don't want them like right next to each other. So I'm picking another photo that I want to be uncovered for this part of the design. So once that photo is uncovered, we're going to duplicate it again, and we're going to cover that same photo up, and we're going to uncover another one, and we're going to continue uncovering one of the photos until we have a copy of each photo that is uncovered. So we should have a total of 9 pages once we finish.
I could have shaped it, you went and caved in. We could have waited, I wasn't rushing. Difference in ages, you're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have
So this is what we should end up with. We should have 9 pages. The first page should be fully white, and then each subsequent page should have one photo uncovered. So now I'm going to the left side and type in elements, and I'm going to type in the word subscribe. And once I find me a graphic that I like, I'm going to add subscribe to every page except for the first one. So for pages 2 through 9, we're going to add the word subscribe in the exact same spot. I'm going to do it right in the center of each page, and then I'm just going to add it to every other page. So now I'm taking another rectangle from our elements, and I'm going to use that to ensure that each subscribe graphic is matched up through all the pages. So I'm just going to put it right on the end of subscribe to use that as like my guideline, make it super small like a line, and then I'm just going to stretch it down through all my pages just to make sure that everything is all lined up. And so make sure subscribe starts at the same spot on each page, ends at the same spot on each page. So now I'm just doing one last look through to make sure everything looks right. And then I'm going to go in the top left corner where it says animate. I'm going to change the time to 0.5 seconds and make sure your toggle on applies to all pages. I forgot to do that, so I had to go back. Then we are going to download our design, and I'm going to change the file type to a GIF, and make sure you download pages 2 through 9. I know on the video I did all the pages, but just do 2 through 9, and then you'll download the first page just as an image, a regular PNG or JPEG, but 2 through 9 should be a GIF. So this is what we should end up with. This is a GIF of our design. So now we open up CapCut. So with CapCut open, we're going to import the GIF, and we're going to upload just the image. We're going to upload both of those and drag those down into the editor part. So now I'm shortening the photo clip because I want my intro kind of short, like straight to the point. I don't want it super long. And the GIF is already like 5 seconds, so we're just going to make the photo part a little bit shorter. So now I'm just adding text to the screen onto the photo part. Not the GIF part, just the photo. So the first piece of text we're going to add to the screen is our channel name. So go ahead and type that in. So now I'm just going and changing the color of my text to black because the background is white. So we want to do black so we can make sure we can read what it says. Then I'm going to change the font to something I like. So I adjusted the size of the text, and now I'm going into animation, and I want to put an effect on the text. I wanted to jazz up the text a little bit. I just don't want the words to be, just plain on the screen. I wanted to add an effect to it, so I ended up choosing the flicker. And so then I'm adjusting how long I wanted the words to be flickering onto the screen, which is that orange bar. I wanted to flicker the whole time that the image is on the screen, but I wanted to stop once the GIF starts playing. So once I have the flicker adjusted to my liking, I'm going to add another piece of text to the screen. I'm going to move that right underneath the channel name. And there, I'm just putting new videos every week. You can put whatever you want there, but that's just what I wanted to put there. Now that I have the second piece of text size to my liking, I'm going to add another animation. I think I'm just going to have this one pop up onto the screen, but I want it to pop up towards the end of once my channel name stops flickering. So I want that to pop up at the end of it because I don't want to distract from the flickering because I don't want too much happening on the screen at once. So then I'm just adjusting how long the words new videos every week is on the screen. I don't want it to pop up during my GIF, so I had to decrease the length of that. So now I'm just watching it through. Once again, I just want to make sure nothing is out of place. Everything pops up how it's supposed to. But here's the final product. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all end up using this to make your own intro because I would love to see it. And once again, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.